Hello, this is Lenko from EC Infotech. This class is about program methodology. This class contains information related to the design, coding, and implementation of a program. In this section, you will learn about the following concepts: using the rules and guidelines of the Ppcl language, using residence points and storage locations, understanding the relationships between priority and point status, converting a sequence of operation into program code, designing programs using a modular structure. Ppcl rules. When someone talks to you, they compose sentences according to the grammatical rules of the spoken language. Ppcl also uses grammatical conventions to create command instructions. Each Ppcl program you write must conform to these rules. Otherwise, the computer will not understand what you are trying to communicate. The general rules for Ppcl are as follows. Each Ppcl program contains one or more Ppcl statements. Each programming statement must be assigned a unique line number. Valid line number are 1 through 32, 767. The maximum number of program lines a device can contain is limited to the amount of free memory of that device. When entering program code through the field panel, MMI port, excluding Apogee, the maximum number of characters per line is 72. If you need to enter more characters, enter an ampersand at the end of the line and continue entering characters on the next line. The total number of characters on both lines, including the ampersand, cannot exceed 144 characters. Program lines are executed in ascending order according to their line number, unless directed otherwise. When the last line of the program is reached, the computer automatically returns control the first line of the program and continues processing. For all types of firmware except Apogee, the last line of the program must be executed on very pass of the program. All physical and virtual points used in the program must be defined in the point database. Point names that begin with numbers must be prefixed with the character. Program control must only be transferred from a subroutine using the return command. In addition to the previous rules, the following rules apply only to Apogee firmware. Apogee Ppcl program use an assigned name. Valid name can use from 1 to 30 characters including A to Z, or 0 to 9, space. periods, commas, dashes, underlines, and apostrophes. If a point name is used in PPCL that is greater than 6 characters or uses characters other than A to Z or 0 to 9, the point name must be used double quotes. For example, 560 on vs B2SFN building AHU 01.SFAN. The first point B2SFN does not require quotas. The second point building 1 AHU 01.SFAN is a long point name and requires quotas. When entering program code through the Apogee field panel MMI port, the maximum number of characters per line is 66, including line number. If you need to enter more characters, enter an ampersand at the end of the line and continue entering characters on the next line. The maximum number of characters allowed on total of 3 lines of code, including the ampersands, and line number is 198 characters. Each field panel running PPCL contains one or more separate